Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, and welcome to Happy Vlogmas Day 15. Oh, maybe it's 14. I'll have to check. Well, anyway, to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Okay, so the fragrant oil is Maraschino cherries, okay, Alkanet root, and white Kaolin clay. And the ingredients in the back says organic coconut oil, distilled water, olive oil, organic coconut milk, castor oil, organic shea butter, avocado oil, Alkanet root powder, white Kaolin clay, fragrance oil, glycerin, and vitamin E oil. And it's called Cheers. All right, that's our soap of the day. Well, here we go. We have our Heavenly Lavender, Bath Truffles, absolutely gorgeous, wrapped and ready to go, ready to get into their bags and labeled, okay? And that's what we're going to do today. You know, I like to start with the label first with the tag. So I take my front label, place it. Of course, you can't see anything. Say, I can't see anything. There we go. So I place the front label, fold everything back so the back label can cover that. Take my back label. Okay. Everything is sticky, right? And there you go. So you have your front and you have your back. Isn't that nice? Take your hole puncher, put your hole so we can have our ribbon to come through. Hole is in, take your ribbon. You make your ribbon as long as you want. If you want to tie it in a bow, it's up to you. Do what you like. This is how I do things. Okay, take your bath truffle, slide it in, get it to one corner. I like putting mine in one corner because the bags are bigger. And then I just twist it one time. I take my label, I place it in front, or you can place it in the back. It's up, it doesn't really matter. It's your preference. Sometimes I put them in the back so you can see it. Sometimes I put it in the front. It doesn't matter. With this ribbon, I'm coming to the front and just tying a bow. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing fine. Don't forget to leave your comment that you're a loyal subscriber so I can enter you into the drawing, okay? And I also take a little bit of that top off as well. And there you go. We have the first one done. So let's go on to the next one. You take your tag, get your front label. Let's place it. Let that go around the back, it doesn't matter. Get my back label, catch a corner and try to separate it as much as you can. Let me give you the quote of today. Always love yourself first. I think we talked about that yesterday, right? The quote of today is always love yourself first. Ooh, some people might say, oh my God, that's so selfish of you. Listen here. Love yourself, guys. How do you expect to love anybody if you don't even love yourself? Cannot be done. I'm 60 years old. You don't think I love myself? Oh, I love myself. You better believe I love myself. When other people don't even love me, do you really think I care? Absolutely not. Only person that truly matters is me. Well, what I think. Not what other people think of me. It's what I think of me. I have to love me. I'm with me every day. I'm doing one in the back so you can see it's done in the back. So yeah, love yourself. But dropping some knowledge in this month of December on y'all, huh? I'll tell you one thing about me. As I get older, I get wiser. And I'm pretty sure that's with everybody. As you get older, you get wiser. I hope you grow. That's a part of growing. You know? I'm not the same person I was 30 years ago. Absolutely not. I wouldn't want to be that person. No, I want to get wiser. I want to learn. I want to grow. I want to be a better person. Look at that. You know, we still trying to get to my 1,000 subscribers. Come on. Help me get there. Tell your friends and family about Glennceria Loving Hands. Help me get to my 1,000. What y'all gonna do when I run out of supplies? I need to do a post office box, right? So y'all can send me some love mail. Would y'all like that? Will y'all send me love mail? Comment down below if you would send me a card that I can read. Because it doesn't make any sense to open up a box if I'm not gonna get any mail in it. Would you send me a card or a letter, some love mail, if I open up a post office box? Vlogmas Day 14, okay? Today is December 14, Vlogmas Day 14. Wow. And then that's one that's in the back. You see? Which one you prefer? The front or the back? Can you believe that as much as my hands stay busy and doing things, do you know and realize that I do not like getting my hands dirty? And I find that so crazy. So crazy. And my grandson Timothy's like that too. He doesn't like his hands dirty. So I guess he get it from his grandma. And mind you, my hands stay busy and stay in things. I love my YouTube family. I love coming on talking to y'all. Here we go. Hole puncher. Get your string through. Okay, that's the measurements. 4 by 2 by 6. Are you staying warm enough? Y'all see me in these short sleeves and I'm asking y'all staying warm enough? I like to hear myself. I sound different. I look different. The camera, huh? All right. Moving right along here. Moving right along. I never read y'all the ingredients in case you didn't make them with us. The ingredients for these bath truffles. Let me read the label to you guys. It says luxurious, organic, heavenly lavender bath truffles, organic cocoa, shea, and mango butter, lavender essential oil, moisturizing bath truffles, 1.5 to 2 ounces. Ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, organic mango. Essential oils, organic dry rose petals, colorant, Epsom salt. And it has my website, which is Etsy at Glennceria Loving Hands. Take the S off of hands. And put you right at my website on Etsy shop, okay? Go on my Instagram and leave a comment on my Instagram that you follow me on YouTube at Glennceria Loving Hands, okay? There we go. I also have 2 ASMR channels as well. Glennceria ASMR and Glennceria Artly Satisfying ASMR. So anybody that you know that into ASMR, Tell them to go check me out as well. Wow, we did great. So they're done. Look how nice. So that's luxurious, moisturizing, heavenly lavender bath truffles. Okay. These will be posted in my Etsy shop tomorrow. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you all from Glennceria Loving Hands, and I see you tomorrow. Vlogmas day 15 tomorrow. What are we going to do? We are going to continue to make our bath truffles, which is Mother Earth, I believe, and we have to work on sunny days too. And then we'll be done with the bath truffle series, okay? Love you, love you, love you. Happy Vlogmas, happy holidays, and I see you tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.